The Runway Show 2022 presented by One Unit successfully concluded at Deepu on 28 November. Contrabands worth ₹1 crore seized at Delhi on Tuesday. NDBCF observed the Joy Silver Jubilee celebration at Luchen Langso Baptist Church on 29 November. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. On 28th of November, the Runway Show 2022 presented by One Unit was organized at Notengpi Heritage Museum, Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. With the enhancement of fashion and design taking place across the globe, likewise, Karbi Anglong is also advancing towards the enhancement of beauty, fashion and design. Many youths from the region had exposed their skills, beauty and design in fashion in various beauty pageants, bringing laurels to the district. Likewise, to showcase the works of the designers, the Runway Show 2022 presented by One Unit was organized at Notengpi Heritage Museum, Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso on 28th of November. 10 models walk on the show to display the designs of the clothing comprising of traditional and modern wears created by 6 fashion designers. Various dignitaries of Karbi Anglong extended their support to make the Runway Show 2022 presented by One Unit a grand success. Lord Singh Ronghang, MLA, Madhuram Lekte, EM of KEC, Vida Singh Rongpi, social activists and several notable dignitaries of Karbi Anglong attended the event. On this occasion, a Karbi music video titled Teronpi Kachai was also officially released. The Runway Show 2022 was successfully concluded due to the outstanding collective reports from Sabina Teronpi, advisor, Daniel Hanse, Rajesh Crow, along with all the members of One Unit.
La Carbiatum, Penang Anatum, Aprang ke la so aso mane Peklang long le son sido, Peklang long le son sido nima ilitum aprang nilitum ke klemateng lui hajara ning kan pen hala so hot ke klem bagai Penang an arlo so tum la dress aputak ilitum Karbian long ke begwan ya mati so hot dress aputak la so kecil sap o lang no hi lote la so asap o kecipu so la sondo.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 29th of November, at early hours, Delhi Police intensified its checking on vehicles after an intel of peddling illicit drugs was received at Delhi Tri-Junction Road under the jurisdiction of Delhi Police Station. It was reported that, acting upon the specific intel of peddling illicit drugs was received from its sources, a joint search operation was conducted by Delhi Police and 20 CRPF Camp Bokajan. The team was led by Deepak Lahon, SIUB, Delhi Police Station, Jiten Gogoi, ASI. Amidst the search operation, a truck bearing registration number AS01GC 5478 was intercepted upon suspicion of carrying illicit drugs with it. The truck was searched rigorously and recovered 19 packages of suspected opium comprising a total weight of 18 kilograms from their possession. It was informed that the worth of contrabands seized would be approximately ₹1 crore if sold to an open market. 2 people were arrested in connection to this case. They were identified as Ajay Basnet, 45 years old, resident of Senapati District, Manipur, and Diomon Limbu, 25 years old, resident of Senapati District, Manipur. The contraband seized were handed over to John Das, SDPO Bokajan, for further investigation. Bijoy Rongte's report from Delhi for Karbi Anglong Live. Nihang Dwarbaguri Baptist Churches Fellowship NDBCF was established in the year 1977, and this time around it has reached the milestone of completing 25 glorious successful years. Hence, to commemorate the milestone, Silver Jubilee celebration was observed at Luchen Langso Baptist Church on 29 November. During During the joyous celebration, Kamson Rongphar, General Secretary of Karbi Anglong Baptist Convention (KABC), Reverend Tenson Bay, Executive Secretary of Nihang Karbi Baptist Association (NKBA), Martin Timong, Leader of Youth Department and General Secretary of Youth Department, Nihang Karbi Baptist Association (NKBA), attended as a guest of the event. The Silver Jubilee Memorial Stone was unveiled by Reverend Tenson Bay, Executive Secretary of Nihang Karbi Baptist Association, accompanied by Welson Phangcho, Pastor of Lochin Langso Baptist Church, and Mongol Singh Terang, Chairman of Dolamara Municipal Board. The official flag of Lochin Langso Baptist Church, hosted by Welson Phangcho, Pastor of Lochin Langso Baptist Church. Delegates from different churches and denominations came together and shared the moment of joy at Silver Jubilee celebration. Guests and ex-servicemen who were part of the celebration were felicitated with a Karbi souvenir poho. Thanksgiving prayer was offered by the team of Praise and Worship, Nihang Duarbagori Baptist Church Fellowship.
Rai nitun katisik tang labang so pini labang so jadi patun berken itu mengkam ke kom ni ando ko
pini jasemet kadoga we atama panir ka chuniri kang tung kedam tangar nam ko pisi klem tang noma labang so ka apan ka chema tha tu pen akimi ke kroina sta ka chepa chiu ji apen hemi si pusame kardoma chithe penge doje pan lapen ke kroita atamang bong ke kro ka chepa chiu ji pan kelama akam stame Pini pen labang so monduli luchun lang so atum tingkam timi chejor pon po.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.